Tessa here. Although I purchased these products, I have partnered with the sellers and may receive an extra commission. So let's dive in. I have been in the pool 5 days a week, 4 hours a day for over 12 years now. And I finally decided to do something about my hair. It was desperately needing something. And it has made a world of difference. I am telling you, I just love the shampoo. The lather is so thick. I love it. And the smell of it is amazing. I love the smell of it. And then the conditioner, also just fabulous conditioner. These two products my hair just feels more nourished overall. And now for me, I also need to use a leave-in conditioner. So this is the leave-in conditioner I use. So after I use the Malibu C products, rinse it out, get out of the shower, comb my hair, so detangle it, and then I put this in, and just a little bit on my fingertips, and starting at the ends and working the way up, and then a little bit more, starting at the ends on the other side, working my way up, and then I'll do extra just all over and get it all the way through. And this, on top of the Malibu C products, is just the perfect combination for me. I need to double condition my hair. That's how bad it's gotten over the years. So this combination of Malibu C products and the Cantu leave-in conditioner are just fabulous, and I highly recommend them.